She's better! Yeah, sit.
Guess who is off the lead?
Yay!
Finally. I spent months training Monkey to come back to me, using lots of tasty snacks that she hasn't been able to eat recently because she's had a sensitive stomach. And now, once again, I have a day of letting her off the lead for the first time, and it feels good, doesn't it? It isn't completely over, and I'm going to be giving her steamed chicken only on walks instead of treats full of additives and stuff. There you go. Ow! Can you say congratulations to Monkey? Oh, how nice of you. Go on then. You two, go on. Be free. Good girls. Well, good night from us. We're going to enjoy this walk with free Monkey. Whee! Monkey! Good night.